Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall your machine software. First, let's go to nativeinstruments.com. Now we're going to select the Support tab. Let's scroll down until we see the General tab. Select that. On this page we have two options for uninstalling for Mac and for Windows. I have a Mac, so I'll select this link. Now on this page, if we scroll down a little bit here, we have some navigation instructions. So we could find the necessary files and folders, so we could then delete those and reinstall our software and drivers using native access. For those of you who don't know how to go about doing that, I'll do the first two bullets with you guys so you could get an idea. So I'm directed to Mac HD. I'm going to do this by pulling up my Finder. Okay. So go to my desktop. I'm going to go up here, right click, pull up Mac HD. Then I'm going to go to Applications, Native Instruments. And I'm going to delete all the product names and the folder as well. Whoops. Okay. So here's all the products by name. And here's the folder. We're going to delete all this here. So that'll take care of that. That's the first bullet. Let's move on to the next. So right here, we're directed to Mac HD again. Library. You could also pull up your library. If you go up here and select Go, you're going to press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, and Library will pop up. So from Library, I'm going to go to Preferences, and it wants me to delete all the items under this name right here, com.nativeinstruments. So you'll notice here that I have a few Apple items. You don't want to touch those. You only want to delete the specified items under that name. So let me come on down. Here we are. So I'm going to select every single one of these under that name, and I'm going to delete those. Okay. So I think you guys got the idea. I hope this video helped out. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much.